Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw money from MyPoints. Ready to cash out your earnings from MyPoints? Here's how. First, head over to mypoints.com and log in using your account credentials. Once you're in, click on your name or the rewards icon at the top right corner of the page. Select all rewards from the drop-down menu. From here, you can filter your rewards by category, whether you prefer gift cards, e-gift cards, PayPal, or even travel miles. You can also sort them by points required or alphabetically by partner. Next, choose the reward you want to redeem and make sure you have enough points. Available options will appear in black, while unavailable ones will be grayed out. After selecting your reward, click Get Rewarded to confirm your redemption. For PayPal transfers, your funds are typically processed within just 24 hours. And that's how you withdraw money from MyPoints. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.